I'm going to go into some trends that actually support sustainability. We are an $11 trillion business globally, direct and indirect. And we are going to grow dramatically, and the engine for growth is here in Asia. If you look at Thailand, it's the opposite. 85% is from international people. That tells me how underdeveloped or undertapped our tourism is. So 2034, these are the numbers we project out what's going to happen for the next 10 years. I think it's more about the destination. So what is the traveler doing for the destination? And I do think this is such an important trend because it's not just about customer is king and just you have fun. It's about, and travelers appreciate this. They want to, there is a large segment that wants to feel like, okay, because I came to visit, I did something. I did something for the country. So industry trends. Just in the last 2 years, I've seen governments across Asia Pacific. 2 years ago, they were saying, let's just get the bodies in. Let's just get the travelers in. Hugely different now. Just in a year and a half, 2 years, they're all like showing me their nice charts and they're saying, oh, our head of state has made as a priority sustainability. So now this is filtering to the tourism ministers and they're all being told, oh, you've got metrics, you've got plans that you have to put in place. So this is really encouraging and has dramatically changed. So now when we meet, the conversation among the ministers is all about sustainability. So what you can expect, I think it's not going to reverse. It's not like this is going to stop next year. This is just the beginning. And so, and what I'm seeing around the whole, like all the stakeholders from government to the corporates to the consumers, there's this wave of interest and focus on sustainability. And I think it's just going to continue to increase. How can we better manage our destination? And whether it sits in that tourism board or it sits with another department, governments across the region are being chartered with this. And so it's things like avoiding over-tourism, pollution, the water depletion. So all the aspects around having a healthy destination, I think we're still in the beginning stages and everybody's still learning, but this is going to continue. Sustainability in design and practice. We heard from some great designers earlier about how they've incorporated practices, and then government commitments to sustainability. Hotel sustainability basics. Eric was in the next room, and he beautifully presented our basics program from WTTC. And this program is meant to make sure no one gets left behind. So even those of you who are with smaller independent properties, this is designed for you to get a start. And we've got the information, we've got the support structure to help you. Sustainability is one area where everyone in the industry will support each other. You're not competing in this space. You're all like helping each other learn because we can only benefit. So I've got a deck with all the detail. Some of you have had it because we had an information session last week. But please, this is meant, so WTTC, we're a membership-based company, organization, nonprofit. Our members are the CEOs and companies of the biggest players in the industry. The key to opening up tourism for the Philippines is, first, you're getting a lot of corporate travelers in Manila. Help them love our culture. And these are people that, because of Zoom, because they can be digital nomads, they can stay longer, they can become leisure travelers and bring their families or go on holiday here. Try to win in your properties. Try to think about how you can present like the best of our culture. What is luxury? Because the definition of luxury, first of all, it's, you can have many different answers. But especially after COVID, the definition of luxury has kind of evolved. And the one word that I keep hearing come up is authentic. People want real connection. They want authentic, real experiences. And we have that in spades here. Community-based tourism experiences, heritage-based tourism. Ensuring a sense of place in hospitality. The worst thing when you're a frequent traveler is when you wake up and you look around and your hotel could be anywhere in the world. Like, you know, don't make it feel like it's Phoenix here. Make it feel like you're in the Philippines. And then the last one is an important mantra for me. Eat local, tour local, spend local. Western chefs have told me Filipino food is so interesting and approachable because it's East meets West. You know, this 250-year connection that we had between Spain and Mexico influenced our food and made it super unique. And, you know, it is something, the late Anthony Bourdain, the experience economy, from eclipse watching to music festivals, we have so many interesting, beautiful festivals here. Holistic wellness. This is a huge trend globally. Biohacking retreats, spiritual and religious tourism. So we should be doing it best here at home.